off with 3 by 10 reverse lunges, 10 on each leg. So you're going to start this movement by taking a big step backwards and coming down into a lunge position. Now in this position, chest is always up and forward, shoulders back, knees just hovering about 1 to 2 inches above the ground. Now this front knee is right over the ankle, and when you stand up, you're going to stand up with 90% of your weight in this front heel. You tie your shoes. So stand up, and then you're going to alternate. So you're really counting to 20 here to get 10 on each leg, okay? Nice, slow, controlled movements. Next, we're going to move on to 3 by 10, so 3 sets of 10 repetitions of push-ups. With our push-ups, make sure your elbows aren't flared out to 90 degrees. You want them tucked in at about a 45-degree angle, okay? So body's in a nice flat line, and you're going to lower yourself down, back up. Keeping the core tight and remembering to breathe. So you have 10 of those, taking about 30 seconds of rest in between each set. Next, we're moving on to some dead bugs. 3 by 10 of these as well, 10 on each side again, so really 20. With the dead bugs, you're alternating your opposite arm and opposite leg. Coordination for golfers is super important. Now it's time to work on it. So feet come off the ground, arms are up, nice, slow, and controlled. You're going to push your lower back into the ground here and extend opposite arm, opposite leg. That's for 1. 2, this exercise isn't about speed, it's about control. So just alternating, really engaging your core here, okay? So the next thing we have is a little challenge or a test. We're gonna work on some single leg balance. So you can start a timer yourself or have someone else in your family start a timer. For the single leg balance, I'm gonna have you guys make sure your thigh is parallel to the ground, nice high knee here. The leg you're balancing on should have a slight bend in it, keeping all the muscles engaged, and you're gonna hold it for as long as possible. You can stop after about a minute if you can do that, okay? Then you're gonna switch and do it on this leg. Once you've completed it with your eyes open for a little challenge, you're gonna see how long you can hold it with your eyes closed. Different ball game there. So same position, slight bend, tight muscles, and you're gonna close your eyes and see how long you can do it like that. And then switch. Make sure you guys are keeping track of how long you can do that for, because we'll retest that towards the end of the season. Okay?